Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of Grab app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Grab and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.